All right, just got this motor slash wheel on. They sent me as a replacement on this little GoTrax. And I know they're gonna want a video, so I'm gonna upload a video. Here's your park mode. It's still not working. Same thing last time. So the motor clearly isn't the issue. Maybe it's got something in the control board, I'm not sure. But it's only got still 13 miles. I haven't, let's see, where's the trip thing on this thing? There you go. That's where we've been at. So unfortunately, it moves in reverse, or not reverse, excuse me. It moves the rear. I got it up on a jack just to show you a little bit easier than what I was doing before, but and it kind of threw itself in a park there. I think that might have been just because I let it sit for too long. So there's reverse, and then nothing on the front. And there's the cruise control. That's saying it's working. So it's basically, for those of you guys who don't know, they have cruise control. That's why it's still spinning right now. So that's actually working normal. You just click the gas again. We go up in speeds. Okay, that goes quicker. Okay, and then go up again. That's your fastest one. So I bought this, guys, and again, I'm only making this kind of for warranty purposes, but if anybody has any questions, it's got no miles on it. The thing was awesome when it ran good or when it rode around good, but unfortunately, it just one day came out and wouldn't go anymore on the front wheels, and it doesn't have enough power just to push you around with the rear wheels. I just don't think it's designed that way. I tried that, trust me, and it doesn't. So hoping they'll take care of it. They took care of this one. They threw this part at it, and I was kind of hoping myself that would fix it, but it didn't. So I guess we'll go to the next option. And that's it.